Hey guys, DenCoop69 here, and again I wanted to thank you for staying tuned to my channel. A lot of great content to come. Just a couple of real quick words. Wanted to let you guys know that I recently got rid of my 2020 BMW S1000RR M with every possible M carbon fiber part, in addition to a lot of other great things I've done to the bike, including the full titanium GP exhaust and all that good stuff from Micropovich. Bike was fully done up, incredible machine. BMW did an amazing job with the bike. After owning it for a number of months and putting around 1,000 miles on the clock, I got a real good feel for it and an understanding of what the bike really is about. Again, I've only been riding a certain amount of time, but I am very good at feeling things, understanding, balancing, and so on. And beautiful bike. But just recently sold it and replaced it with something a little bit different. Went back to Ducati. Just purchased a brand new 2021 Ducati Streetfighter V4S. So that bike's got a lot of tunability, a lot of things to come, a lot of cool videos on that bike coming up. So please stay tuned to my channel, and I'd like for you to please see what I'm going to do there. Cannot wait, super excited. But this video is strictly about how I'm able to understand the dynamics of a motorcycle. And I had test rode a BMW S1000RR before they actually hit the streets here in the US, and had walked away with some thoughts in respect to the bike, which I got a lot of slack for when I had said that I was a little bit underwhelmed with the power of the bike, that it felt very Japanese to me. And just now watched a review from Michael from Motorcycle News Channel, and the guy is a decorated journalist. He's got a lot of miles under him for motorcycles. You guys can Google him and see what he's done in his life, but this guy is tremendous in his line of work. I highly respect his opinion and so on. And it was so funny to watch that he literally just came out with this video on the 2020 S1000RR M edition, and his words and my words were pretty much the same thing. So please watch what's coming up. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and rewind, kind of like Back to the Future. Take a look and see what I had said about the bike when I first rode it, and then right after see what Michael has to say about the 2020 bike. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy my channel. Continue to watch it, and here we go. All right, guys, to be perfectly honest, I just rode the 2020 BMW S1000RR. Supposedly it is the best of the best. And to be perfectly honest, very underwhelmed. I guess my expectations were so high. I was considering it the holy grail of sport bikes. But you know what? After owning my Ducati V4 Speciale for a couple of weeks, this bike just doesn't stand a chance. It feels more like any Japanese bike, very similar to, say, like maybe a Gixxar. The only experience I have is on a 750, and that's very minimal, but the feelings that that bike gave me were very similar. And maybe that's because both bikes are inline 4 cylinders. One's Japanese, one's German. But I guess you can't compare cars to bikes, and I'm coming from the car world. I've only been riding for about 3 months, 2.5 to be exact. So, but hopefully way more to come. Can't wait to do my first track day in June, and we'll continue my experience with motorcycles. Hopefully many more happy miles and many more motorcycles again.
It sits somewhere in the middle of the Honda and the Ducati. It's more Japanese-like because it's got an inline 4-cylinder engine, and kind of up close it's not that special. It's got quite a conventional cast aluminium frame. It's laid out quite conventionally. Kind of feels like a Japanese bike in its riding position. I mean, it could quite easily be a GSX-R, which probably isn't a coincidence, because when BMW first developed the S1000RR, they had their engine in a K5 GSX-R chassis. So kind of got that kind of Suzuki feel about it almost.